Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about can I enforce session inactivity timeouts for user account in a virtual data room? Yes, you can typically enforce session inactivity timeouts for user accounts in a virtual data room. Inactivity timeouts are important security measures to automatically log out users who have been inactive for a specific period, reducing the risk of unauthorized access to sensitive information. Here's how you can set up session inactivity timeout in a VDR. Select a VDR provider. Choose a VDR provider or platform that supports session inactivity timeout as a security features. Most reputable VDR provider offer the functionality. Number two, access control and user permission. Ensure you have administrative access to configure security settings, including session timeout policies. Number three, configure session timeout settings. Log into VTR administrator controls. Locate the security settings or access control section which typically includes session timeout options. Configure the session timeout settings according to the organization policies. You can specify the ideal time after which user will be automatically logged out. Number 4. Define timeout duration. Set the timeout duration based on your security requirements. Common timeout duration include 15 minutes, 13 minutes, and or 1 hour. Choose a duration that balance security and user convenience. Number 5. User notification. Some VDRS allows you to configure notification to warn user of an implemented timeout, usually a few minutes before the session expires. This gives user opportunity to keep their session active if they are still actively working. Number 6. Testing and verification before deploy session inactivity timeout in production environment. Thoroughly test the settings to ensure they work as expected. Verify that users are correctly locked out after the specified ideal period. User training. Communicate the session timeout policy to all VDR users and provide guidance on how to handle timeouts. Users should be aware of the timeout duration and the importance of logging out when done with their sessions. Number 8. Regular monitoring and review. Periodically review the adjust the session timeout settings if necessary. Consider user feedback and any changes in security requirements. Enforcing session inactivity timeouts in a virtual data room is an effective security measure to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access due to unattached session. It helps ensure that user accounts are automatically locked out when they are no longer actively using VDR, reducing the risk of unauthorized access in the case of user forgets to log out manually. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video.